Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to the new video for CAT. The video title is CAT Cutoffs 2020. So what were the CAT cutoff in the last year CAT paper? And before we begin with the video, I just want to give a quick introduction about myself. So my name is Rajul Khare and I have done my MBA from MDI Gurgaon in the year 2014-2016. I have cleared CAT 7 times in a row and I mentored more than 5,000 students offline for CAT and the other B school entrance examination. I am expert in two sections, which are quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning data interpretation. I have been teaching students for these sections from last 8 years. Apart from this, I am running a company called as Tamasha Entertainment, which is based out of Gurgaon. Okay, moving forward, I just want to give you a brief about the CAT paper. So in CAT 2020, the pattern of paper changed, and if I talk about the pattern, there were just 70 six questions coming in the paper, 76 questions coming in the paper. So there were three sections. One was verbal. The section number one was verbal. The second section was LRDI, and the third section was quantitative aptitude. In verbal, there were total of 26 questions. In LRDI, there were total of 24 questions. And in quantitative aptitude, there were total of 26 questions. So there are total of 76 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So the total marks of the paper was around 228 marks. Okay, in which the verbal section was of how much marks? Guys, 78. LRDI was 72 and quantitative was again what? 78 marks. So this was a brief about the CAT pattern. This changed last year. So in CAT 2019, there were around 100 questions. The paper was also of 3 hours. Here the paper was just of 2 hours, 40 minutes each. Now coming to the main agenda of the class, which is about the CAT 2020 cutoffs. So there is a maximum marks of 228, and if I talk about the cutoff, so I've divided it into 6 front, 99 percentile, 98 percentile, 95, 90, 85 percentile and 80 percentile. How do you clear the CAT cutoffs? What are the marks required to get a certain percentile? So if I talk about 99 percentile, the 99 percentile of the students who appeared for CAT, they were able to get 99 percentile overall at a score of roughly around 105 to 110. Okay, so you have to just score around 50%, less than 50% marks to get 99 percentile. This is a very important data which student need to understand before preparing for CAT. कि CAT में ऐसा नहीं है, आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम की तरह नहीं है कि 100 में से 100 मार्क्स लाने, आपको सिर्फ 50% मार्क्स लाने और आपका आराम से 99 percentile आ जाएगा. If I talk about verbal, so this overall is 228. Here the overall was 78 marks. Here it was around 72, and here it was again 78. So both the section verbal and quants was of moderate level. LRDI was a little difficult. Every year LRDI is comparatively difficult. So in verbal, the 99 percentile was around 40-42 score. LRDI 29 to 31 marks, you were able to get a 99 percentile. In quants, around a score of 43 to 45, you were able to. Easiest section with respect to the CAT cutoff was quant only. So at a score of around 43-44 marks, you get a 99 percentile in quant. Now coming to the next part, which is 98 percentile. तो 98 percentile लाने के लिए ओवरऑल आपको अराउंड 95 to 100 मार्क्स लाने थे. अगर आपके इतने मार्क्स आ जाते हैं तो जब भी आप मॉक्स देना शुरू करेंगे अगले साल के, दिस शुड बी अ क्राइटेरिया इफ द पैटर्न ऑफ द पेपर डजंट चेंज. आई होप द पैटर्न डजंट चेंज दिस ईयर बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर चेंज हुआ था. ठीक है, वर्बल में अराउंड 36-38 नंबर लाने पे आपका 98 परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा. एलआरडीआई में ओनली 20. देखिए एलआरडीआई का इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ देखिए, 72 में से सिर्फ 26-28 नंबर लाने पे आपका 98 परसेंटाइल आ रहा है. 30 नंबर लाने पे आपका 99 परसेंटाइल आ रहा है. नाउ इन क्वांट्स 37 to 39 नंबर लाने पे आपका अराउंड 98 परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज द डेटा फॉर 95, 90, 85 एंड 80. So 95 percentile overall CAT में 85 to 90 marks, 90 percentile 72 to 75 marks, 85 percentile 60 to 65 marks. इसके नीचे मैं बात करना नहीं चाहूँगा. Even at 80 percentile you can get at a score of 55 to 60 marks. The same is the relevant cutoff for the 3 different sections. ठीक है गाइज, तो एक बात बहुत क्लियर, अगर 26 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, हर क्वेश्चन 3 नंबर का है और आपको मैक्सिमम 40-42 मार्क्स लाने हैं, तो आपके जो आइडियल अटेम्प्ट होने चाहिए वो होने चाहिए अराउंड 15 to 17 विद अ एक्यूरेसी और रेट ऑफ 90%. अगर आप ऐसा कर लेते हैं, सिर्फ आधा पेपर करके आना है सही. एक दो मतलब 26 में से अगर आप 13 सही कराते हैं तो आपके 39 नंबर हो गए, एक दो गलत भी होते हैं, यू लैंड एट अराउंड 98-99 परसेंटाइल. In LRDI there were only 24 questions in the paper but the cutoff is also quite low. तो अगर आप 12 क्वेश्चन सही करके आते हैं LRDI में, इट मींस अराउंड 36 मार्क्स. 36 का मतलब एक दो गलत भी होते हैं, तो you will land it. So एक बेसिक रूल है कि 50% पेपर अगर आप कैट में सही करके आते हैं, अगर आप 78 में से 76 क्वेश्चन जो आए थे उसमें से अगर आप करीब करीब 40 क्वेश्चन सही कराते हैं तो 120 मार्क्स ऐसे हो गया. अगर आपके 5-10 गलत भी होते हैं तो फिर यू लैंड अप अराउंड 110. दैट शुड बी एन आइडियल क्राइटेरिया. तो आपको 50% पेपर सही करके आना है टू गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम द टॉप नॉच IIMs. ठीक है. इफ यू आर एमिंग फॉर like certain backup colleges as well, तो in worst case you should get a 95 or a 90 percentile. 95 percentile तो आपका सिर्फ 85 to 90 मार्क्स पर आ जाएगा. Now this is very very important for the people aspiring for CAT 21, क्योंकि इस डेटा के हिसाब से ही हम अब तैयारी करेंगे. अभी तो ठीक है मैं क्लासेस ले रहा हूँ, उसके बाद जब आप बॉक्स करेंगे तो आई थिंक दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू to target the right set, to target the right amount of question, how much to appear, how much to solve in the mock, how much question you have to target in the mocks. Roughly basic idea हमेशा 50% जाता है. अगर मैं पिछले साल की भी कैट की बात करूं, मींस कैट 2019 की, तो 300 नंबर का पेपर आता था और 150 मार्क्स पे आराम से 98-99 परसेंटाइल आ जाता. सेम गोज दिस ईयर. अगर 228 मार्क्स का पेपर है तो आपका 110 नंबर पे. इस बार थोड़ा सा कट ऑफ कम गया है. कैट का वैसे थोड़ा सा 55% के अराउंड कट ऑफ जाता था, बट इस बार थोड़ा कम गया है. So please note it down properly. This is the CAT cutoffs. I have also made a couple of videos around what are the top B schools in India, what is the selection criteria for the top B schools in India. I will also make videos about selection criteria of all the top-notch IIMs as well. Okay, so this is it for today, and if you have any more doubts and if you want to attend my sessions, please subscribe yourself to Unacademy_Rajul Khare. This is our Telegram channel, or subscribe to the upper Telegram channel, which is for Unacademy CAT. So once you subscribe to these channels, you will have the idea of all the classes which are happening by all the educators who are there. And if you have any personal doubt, you can just connect me on the group and you can ask me any doubts regarding your strategy for CAT preparation or anything regarding your profile. Okay, so this is about the value offering from Unacademy. So there are two kinds of subscription for CAT. One is Plus and Iconic. So in Plus, you roughly get all the educator classes, all the live doubt solving session. You will get practice question, mock test, mock analysis, personalized interviews once you clear the CAT paper, all the GDPI preparation. In Iconic, over and above Plus, you get personal mentorship, you get personalized guidance for other management and tracks examination. Basically, in Iconic, everything for you will be personalized. Okay, that's the pricing for the Plus and Iconic subscription for CAT. For Plus, it will just cost you around for 12 months, it will just cost you around 17,500, and for Iconic, the 12-month subscription will just cost you around 30,000 rupees. For Plus, the 24-month subscription will just cost you around 21,000 rupees. For Iconic, the 24-month subscription will cost you around 41,000 rupees. You can use my code RKUS to get a discount of 10% on all the subscription, whichever you want to choose. My suggestion to you will be go for a 12 months or a 24-month subscription. So once you use my code, the 12-month subscription will just cost you around 15,750, and the 24-month subscription will just cost you around 18,900 rupees. I will suggest you 12 months will just cost you around 1,500 per month, and 24 months around 875 per month. Go ahead, choose Plus or Iconic, whichever you want to take. Use my code and avail the discount for the subscription. Okay, this is the story of the learners who have cracked CAT 2020 with flying colors. These are the students who have cracked CAT, who are the students of Unacademy. You could be the next. And these are the batches which are just started or about to start. So on 8th February and 10th February, we have started batch for weekday evening. Okay, and 13th February we will start a batch on weekend batch for CAT 2021. So you will be having, once you subscribe yourself, you will be having access to all the top educators in India, and you can choose which batch to join according to your timelines. Okay, this is about the Unacademy Champions League. So on February 14th, Sunday, between 5 to 5:40 p.m. there is a Champions League of Unacademy. You can win Amazon vouchers up to rupees 10,000 rupees, or Unacademy CAT Plus subscription free for 1 month. You can enroll for this and you can win the exciting prizes. Lastly, guys, I am taking a lot of videos, so please subscribe yourself for the Unacademy CAT channel. Hashtag CAT Live Daily. Please subscribe yourself. Please subscribe yourself to our Telegram channel as well, so that if you have any doubts regarding your strategy, which batch you want to join. So I am taking arithmetic classes on YouTube and special classes on the Plus platform, on the Unacademy platform, so you can accordingly choose to do my classes. Thanks a lot for today. I hope this session was effective for you. This short video was effective to, not a session. I'll just say a short video was effective to you and it will help you in preparing for CAT 2021. Thanks a lot, guys.